Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you the Allchinabuy haul. Allchinabuy haul provides you with a streamlined shopping experience, offering a careful selected range of over 3,000 top-rated replica products. Allchinabuy haul works with a network of over 2,000 verified and trusted sellers, ensuring you only get products that have been thoroughly vetted. Whether you're after fashion items, accessories, or footwear, Allchinabuy haul makes your buying process easier and more efficient. You can choose any category provided here and click on it. Now, it'll show you the products related to your category. Click on the buy link and select the purchase platform. You can select Allchinabuy and verify yourself, as it'll take a few seconds. Then, log into your account and accept the terms and conditions. Lastly, you can buy your products from Allchinabuy. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.